Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to turn off chill zone Discord. So let's get started. So we are trying to turn off chill zone on Discord. Now I'll show you how to enable it and how to disable it. Now in order to enable your chill zone, what you have to do is just simply tap and hold on your shift key for 8 to 10 seconds. So you will find the right shift key. What you have to do is just simply tap and hold on it, and after tapping and holding on your shift key, the right shift key, you will find this option which is, do you want to turn on your filter keys? So what you can do is just simply tap on yes, and after tapping on yes, now you have successfully turned on your chill zone. So now if you want to turn off your chill zone, then what you have to do is just simply follow the same steps. Just simply tap and hold on your shift for 8 to 10 seconds, and after doing that you have successfully turned off. So you will find a beep sound, and after hearing that beep sound you have successfully turned off your chill zone. So you just have to make sure that it's turned off, and after turning it off you have successfully turned off chill zone on Discord. So that's it guys, this is how to turn off chill zone Discord. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.